Hello and welcome to Retro Bikes Dublin. We're now on to lot 15, which is the first of the Honda CB400SSs. It's in black. It's a very low mileage bike, 2007. Exceptionally good condition, which we will see now. It is a 4-stroke bike, single cylinder. Couldn't tell. I think the 34, 35 brake horsepower on her. Front disc and rear drum. Low seat height and so on. Front of the bike is in excellent condition, tyres in perfect condition, front forks very good, gaiters as well, some slight signs of pitting on the front forks here. The top tank itself is in immaculate condition, engine area is also the same. 400SS side cover. We do have a slight tear in the seat here, but we will be repairing that for the price shown on the brochure. So not to worry. We do have the rear shock here, some very slight signs of rusting on the rear, but nothing major. And again on the rear tyre, perfect condition, rear chrome. Mudguard, very good condition. This is on the left hand side now of the bike. We do have some signs of some scrapes on the rear, on the exhaust here. Tyres in good condition here, nothing too major. Same on the rear, chrome mudguard. Here's the seat on this side is in perfect condition. 400SS side panel and kickstart and electric start on this one. The actual center engine, good condition. Honda tank, black tank here. The pinstripes, good condition. Gaiters, front mudguard and front of the forks, all very good condition. Front tires in perfect condition also. If you are interested in this bike, we will be taking the €150 deposit on it to secure before arrival in September. So if you would like to do that, please do get in contact with us. So if you haven't liked the video, please like, and if you haven't already, subscribe also. It'll be greatly appreciated. Thank you.